Arts Care has been running a series of creative workshops including painting and digital recording with young people in Cardigan, Carmarthenshire and Pembrokeshire. In Cardigan, the young people are adding the finishing touches to their UV paintings.
We've been looking at sort of mixed media things, UV backdrops and music and digital music. In Carmarthenshire, we've been involved in a project which is looked at drama, music and dance, and in Pembrokeshire, still evolving, but a mix of different art forms there as well. Been a lot of other agencies obviously running either Reach the Heights or similar projects looking to work with the same people, the same target group, so it has been difficult the planning and the accessing clients or participants, but we seem to have gone through that.
We got asked by Sarah to really provide kids, I suppose, for a project she had starting up in the summer regarding arts, dancing and DJing. So I asked the kids we're dealing with, and they all seemed interested, and that's where it all kicked off from, really. We met up in the summer and got underway. We started off with canvas painting, DJing, some dance sessions were thrown into the mix, and it all kicked off from there. And you're never quite sure in the first hour of an activity how things are going to go. You see people going out for fags, doing this, doing that, and you're just never quite sure. But after that, they started painting, they started getting into the DJing and the dancing, and you just knew you're home and dry. They started seeing what they were achieving as well, and that's the key. When they can start seeing it and feeling it or hearing it, in the case of the music, they can start to sort of think, yeah, we've got a tangible achievement we're working on, and to see the progress and sort of build to make. It's been really, really positive for that reason. It's a sense of achievement and fulfilment for doing it has been massive.
I've just been drawing some random stuff and making loads of patterns. I got the ideas from a book, then I traced them and put them on the thingy-majiggy that made them bigger and traced them again. I enjoy that you get the chance to do different stuff that you don't usually get to do at home or in school.
I've been cutting out leaves on paper. I've been doing that and the machines over there, and I melted that into a piece of wood. What I like the most is Bongo Shack, and that's what I'll be doing when I come again.
Well, I've got a mobile recording studio called the Groove Trolley, so I just showed them the stuff and said, right, you're going to come up with the beats. So I showed them how to come up with the beats and the devices to call up, and then left them to it. They had the headphones on. I walked away and said, right, how's it going? Oh, we like this beat. So and then I saved it and put their names to it, and as the group rotated, that's the thing. So we had kids going on with the graffiti design at the same time, kids doing DJ. So then when they decided, oh, can I go and do some graffiti design or go and do DJ? I said, yeah. Saved it, put their names to it. So what we actually saw was a track to be built up by different people rotating around, and that's how it is. So everybody had a hands-on with the track.
I started with like the snake. I just kind of carried on with a freehand drawings, and I just thought, why should I be copying all the time if I can just like do it freehand and use my imagination? And I quite like it how the way I've got on.
The activity project runs by running activities for looked after children. It's up to them whether they attend or not. There's no compulsory element in this at all. There's no court orders or anything like that. It's entirely up to the young people. So they come because they want to participate, not because we make them.
Well, today's about finishing off some of the work that the young people have started, and we'll be presenting them later on with certificates for their achievements in attending. So I think we've got hopefully about 20 of the participants here today. We've worked in these three counties for 20 odd years, and I think it's been about reaching some of the participants we don't normally get to work with. So obviously a lot of work has been done in contacting the various support groups and identifying the young people. So, and hopefully, we'd be hoping to be able to build on that and look at working with those agencies in the future as well.
Dark days are over, and I'm walking in the light.